So you just finished putting up your plastic over your old windows, but you made a hole. What can you do so that you don't have to tear it all down and start all over? Hey, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. I'm Daniel. I just put up this plastic and it was looking awesome. I was using the blow dryer, everything was great. And then I touched this spot with the blow dryer and it melted a hole. So I just want to show you a quick fix on how to patch that so that you don't have to go out and spend more money to buy a new film of this. The name of the game with the patch, of course, is that I want it to look like crystal clear, as unnoticeable as possible, but I also want it to be efficient. That means I want it to keep the air out. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the double-sided tape that comes with this packaging, just cutting a couple strips of it and sticking it all around the perimeter. That tape is going to do two things. It's going to hold the plastic in place, and it's also going to hold my new patch. So it's going to keep the existing hole from getting bigger and hold on this new patch. Then I just take some cast off, some leftover from where I trimmed my other piece, press that on there firmly, try to not have as much overlap on that as possible, blow dry it, and you can see it kind of shrinks up and takes the form, and it's not very noticeable on that window. So there you go, hole patched, no more air leak, and didn't have to spend any additional money, which is awesome because the whole point of this is to save money. Comment down below if you have any ideas on how to do patches or just ideas on how to save money throughout the winter months. Would love to hear those. In the meantime, click that subscribe button and we'll see you next time on Spirit of a Handyman.